How to use banana peels in the garden. Hello friends. Welcome to Gardener's Gardening. Banana peels can be used in various ways to benefit your garden. Number 1. Compost ingredient. Banana peels are rich in phosphorus, potassium, calcium, magnesium, and other nutrients that can benefit your compost pile. Banana peels will break down over time, adding valuable nutrients to the compost. Number 2. Fertilizer. You can use banana peels as a natural fertilizer by burying them directly in the soil around your plants. As banana peel decomposes, it releases nutrients into the soil, promoting healthy plant growth. Number 3. Mulch. Dry and ground banana peels can be used as mulch around your plants. Spread a thin layer of finely chopped banana peels on the soil surface around your plants to help retain moisture, suppress weeds, and add nutrients to the soil as they decompose. Number 4. Pest repellent. Placing banana peels around plants can deter pests such as aphids, whiteflies, and spider mites. Slugs and snails will be attracted to the peels, which you can remove and dispose of. Number 5. Liquid fertilizer. You can make a nutrient-rich liquid fertilizer using banana peels. Place banana peels in a container filled with water and let them steep for a few days or several weeks. The water will absorb the nutrients from the banana peels, creating a homemade liquid fertilizer that you can use to water your plants. Number 6. Rose plant booster. Some gardeners use banana peels to boost the growth and bloom of rose plant. Burning banana peels at the base of rose bushes or mixing them into the soil around plant can provide a slow-release source of nutrients that promote healthy growth and vibrant blooms. Number 7. Soil amendment. Dry banana peels grind into powder. Sprinkle the powder around your plants to enrich the soil. Add small pieces of banana peel to your potting mix to boost nutrient levels. Number 8. Seedling booster. Place a banana peel at the bottom of the hole when planting seedlings. Cover with a layer of soil before placing the seedlings. As the peel decomposes, it will provide essential nutrients to the growing plant. Number 9. Foliar spray. Blend banana peels with water and strain the mixture. Use a spray bottle to apply this liquid directly to the plant leaves. This acts as a natural fertilizer and pest deterrent. Number 10. Compost accelerator. Banana peels decompose quickly and can help speed up the composting process. Cut them into small pieces to encourage faster breakdown and mix them into your compost pile. Number 11. Worm food for vermicomposting. Add banana peels to your vermicompost bin. Worms love banana peels and will break down them quickly, enriching the compost with valuable nutrients. Number 12. House plant fertilizer. Place banana peels in a jar of water and let it sit for a few days. Use this banana-infused water to fertilize your indoor plants. Take dry banana peels, grind them into a fine powder, sprinkle a small amount on the soil surface of your house plants. Number 13. Natural shine for plant leaves. Rub the inside of a banana peel on the leaves of your plants to remove dust and add a natural shine. Number 14. Tomato plant booster. Place chopped banana peels at the base of tomato plants. The potassium in the peels help tomato plants grow strong and produce more tomatoes. Benefits of using banana peels. Eco-friendliness is the key. Utilizing banana peels reduces waste and promotes sustainable gardening practices. Cost-effective. Banana peels provide a free source of nutrients for plants. Chemical-free. Using banana peels avoids the need for synthetic fertilizers and pesticides. By incorporating these methods, you can turn banana peels into a valuable resource for your garden, ensuring healthier plants and more abundant harvest. Banana peels will improve soil fertility, promote plant growth, and repel pests. Experiment with different methods to see what works best for your garden. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to the channel for future updates. Keep your plants happy, and thank you for tuning in. God bless.